In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files in WorkDrive. If you've ever deleted a file by mistake, don't panic. Zoho WorkDrive is designed to give you a safety net by placing deleted items in trash before they're permanently removed. In this walkthrough, we'll recover a file or folder from trash using the web app, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, sign in to Zoho WorkDrive in your web browser. Using the web version ensures you see the full set of options we'll use today. Once you're in, look at the left panel and click My Folders. This area contains your personal files and folders. The steps we're covering apply to items that were deleted from here. If your organization also uses shared or team spaces, keep in mind those areas can have their own trash, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on My Folders. At the top of the page, click Manage and then choose Trash. Trash is where WorkDrive keeps your recently deleted items for a limited time, so it's the first place to check when something goes missing. Think of it like a holding area. Items stay here temporarily, based on your organization's retention settings, and then they're removed permanently. So it's best to restore important files as soon as you realize they're gone. Now, find the file or folder you want to bring back. Take a moment to scan the list carefully. Look for familiar names, file types, and the date deleted to help you spot the right item. If you're working with a lot of deleted content, it can help to pause and confirm the exact name or format you're looking for before restoring, so you don't bring back the wrong version. Once you've identified the right item, select it and click Restore. You can also hover over the item and click the Restore icon if you prefer. WorkDrive will put the item back in its original location with its original name, so you can pick up where you left off. After restoring, navigate to that original folder to confirm the file is there and opens as expected. If you don't see it right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. And that's it. You've successfully restored a deleted file or folder in WorkDrive. To recap, sign in on the web, go to My Folders, open Manage, choose Trash, locate your item, and click Restore. If you can't find what you need, it may have been permanently removed or live in a different area, so check promptly and restore as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!